What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. So I am going to be doing a makeup look using a makeup palette that I got from my niece. Well, it actually is my niece's, but I jacked it because I want to do a makeup look on it and see how, you know, the colors are going to come out. So the palette is by The Color Workshop. The Color Workshop. And I don't know if you don't know or not, The Color Workshop comes from, you can get it from Walmart. Walmart, I don't know if they have it at Target or something like that. But you can get it from Walmart, but I think you can only, so I'm going to swatch the colors. I think she's played around in it or whatever, but I'm going to swatch the colors because I want to see how they look. Starting from this green shade up to this shade right here. Like, that's what made me want to do it because I'm really like not. Okay, so I swatched the colors, and some of them, like, I don't know, they're a little chalky, just a little bit, not too much. So starting from this top shade down to this shade right here, I'm gonna show y'all. So this is what they look like, if you guys can see that. So starting with this shade here, this is actually a really pretty, like, it's like a berry shade. Like, the name of this shade is, it's called Lady in Love. This is a pretty shade. I actually think I'm going to use this one. This is really pretty too. This one is called Third Love. This one here, which is this shade right here, this one is called Hear Me Roar. And it didn't really swatch too good. I don't know if you can, it didn't swatch too good. I don't like it. I don't like it at all, so I will not be using that shade. This one here is actually a really nice gold shade. This one is called Glitzy Glamour. This yellow shade here I don't like either, but this is what it looks like in a pan. Yeah, but this one is called Sunglasses Needed. This one here is a really pretty green shade. It's like a money green to me. It's a really pretty green shade. This one's called Fern Glen. This one here, it didn't swatch too well either, but this one right here is like a forest green, I think. This one be like a forest green, something like that. So, it's a really nice shade. It didn't swatch the way I was wanting it to. But yeah, this one is Rainforest View. This blue shade right here is called Sirens of the Sea. This one here, this is a really pretty blue actually. This one here is called Oceanaholic. This purple here is Indigo Vibes. And then this one is Amethyst Dreams, and then Raspberry Sorbet. This was pretty. So yes. So first shade I'm gonna go into, which first shade I'm gonna go into? You know what, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. I actually have some on my brush, but I want to go into this shade here. This one, which was Third Love. This is the Kylie brush that came in a palette that I have. So I got some on my brush, and I'm actually gonna put it like on my lid. So it's more pigmented than like I was expecting it to be the Color Works. To be from the Color Works palette. Okay, so the next shade I'm gonna go into, oh my goodness. Okay, so the next shade I'm gonna go into is this one, which was Lady in Love, and I want to go in Yeah. I'm gonna go in using this crown brush. Going using a crown brush, and I'm gonna go in. Let's see. I don't know how this is picking up on my brush. I'm gonna go into my crease with it and just blend out with, you know. It's not as pigmented, but I'm just gonna keep working it in until it builds up to where I'm trying to get it. Okay, so blended it out, and the next shade I want to go into, I actually want to deepen it up more, like smoking it out, I guess, a little bit more, like on the outer part. So clearly there's not a shade in here that I'm wanting to use to deepen that up. So I'm gonna have to go into another palette, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with this. I'm just gonna go in with this shade right here, which is Wonderland, and I am gonna use the that first brush I went into, that Kylie brush. Yeah. So I'm just gonna. Okay, so now done with my eyes. So now I'm just gonna go on to like my face, and I'm going to prime using oh lord, using Fenty primer, the first primer, the original primer, because I know she released two more primers. She released two more primers as well. She released two more primers as well, the hydrating primer and a matte primer. So I kind of want to try those out too. Should have got a sample of them. I don't know, but okay. So like I said, I had got a sample of the hydrating foundation, so I cannot show you how the how it looks if you haven't seen it. But I'll put a picture. I'll put a picture up on this side to show you how it looks if you have not seen it. I like the packaging. It's like in a tube like this. I don't know, it's kind of like this, in a tube like this, and it has a pump on it, which I thought was so dope. So yeah, I'm gonna put some. I can't put it on the back of my hand. I'm gonna use this foundation brush that I got, and I'm just gonna apply it to my face. Oh, and this is in what shade did I get? This is in 440. So this is in the shade 440. I'm gonna go back into Third Love, which is that second shade that's in here. I'm gonna try that one out. I should have just wiped it off. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into, being that this don't really have the shade that I want, and I hate how this blends out, and I'm really not wanting that, because this is more of like, this is like a real golden like shade. It's this shade right here. That's kind of not like, that's kind of the color I'm not looking for. So I'm gonna go into the Nice palette, this Nice palette, and I kind of want to go into probably this shade, which is Slay. It kind of looks, kind of resembles Trophy Wife a little bit. I'm gonna swatch it like that. So I'm gonna go into that one, and I'm just gonna dab my brush in it like that. Just kind of want to flick it just a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into Slay using this BH Cosmetics brush, like a pencil brush. They don't have no damn names on them. They only have numbers on them. They need to, that's annoying. Okay, y'all, so my camera died, but I already added my lashes, of course, as you can see, which are my new faves, Jackie from Miss A. I will leave the link down below to these lashes. They were $1.88, of course. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look on, where is it, that I did using the Colorworks palette. So the colors that I used, I can only really talk about the colors that I used, of course, which were Lady in Love, Third Place. What else did I use on this palette? And that was about it. I only used those two shades because the look I was going for, it really didn't require any other shade but these two, and I really did not like how this swatched or this one. And so yeah, color, I really might use this palette again, because I really want to use this shade. I'm gonna use this shade right here. This is really pretty. This is the pretty shade too. But yeah, like this whole look just gives me fall vibes, which the fall is next month, y'all. If y'all don't know, the fall is next month. I am a fall girl. I love the fall. The fall is like my favorite season. Plus, my birthday is in the fall, of course, so I can't wait for the fall. I'm just ready. Yes, so if you guys like this look, of course, thumbs up this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new and you are not subscribed to my channel, of course, to see more videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.